Hi there, everyone. Welcome to Shisha Creative. Today is a very cool video, especially for people who like planted aquariums. So, here inside, they have a plant farm, and these are all water plants. This place is in Pondicherry, but it's further away from Pondicherry. So actually, we've come a long way, and this route itself is like so small. You can see the route. It's like only 10 to 15 feet. We were so much into aquariums and aquarium plants. We were looking out to where to get aquarium plants. So we have come to this small place here. I'm sure y'all will enjoy having a look at all these plants, and there is like around 80 to 90 varieties. So let's go have a look at it. I really feel like a child in the candy shop today, and I have Mrs. Prabhavati and Mr. Panir here to help me out with knowing the names of the water plants as well as the fishes. They have a lot of shrimp variety, and they've got lobsters also here, and they do have like danios, guppies, tetras, and actually they have quite a variety of fish. They've been doing this for the past 15 years, and I just actually want to keep going around and keep looking at all the plants again and again. I'm almost confused about what to buy because I think all of you all have seen the tanks that I have at home. But right now it's going to be like a difficult task for me to pick out the plants, each one for which tank I've got to use which plant. And the plant varieties also, there is moss, and then there are fern-like varieties, as well as there are lilies which actually flower. So you need sunlight, and there are also red color plants, then green varieties like shade in greens itself. So we are going to pick out whichever is best suited for our tank. Having a look at all the plants may not be possible because these are all in cemented tanks, and it is not transparent. So there was a lot of difficulty in actually looking out for the plants because all the plants were kept together. So I'm going to take only the much used water plants or the aquatic plants in aquariums.
என் பேர் பன்னீர் பாக்கம் எஸ்ஐ அக்வாரியம் ஃபார்ம் ஹவுஸ் 15 வருஷமா வச்சு.
So these are some of the plants that I have taken for the aquarium. Star grass, hygrophila, Amazon sword, Ludwigia, grass varieties, they had even like shrimps and lobsters also. I'll just show you all in some time. These were tiny plants, they had just planted it, so we didn't take anything from here. In fact, we weren't given anything from here. Then they had Vallisneria. So all these plants, when you put it together in the aquarium, you have to give it that arrangement where it really looks beautiful. Cryptocorin, The ones in those plastic bags are actually fighter fishes. These are mollies, gold, and they had koi carp also. So these are the lobsters. These are parent lobsters. So this is the biggest lobster that they had. They have around like 6 to 8 lobsters, I think. These are yellow shrimps. And these are blue shrimps. So this was a very good trip that we made. We were really excited about this because it was really difficult to find this place, but at last we managed to find and get to know all the plants, and we bought quite a lot of aquarium plants. It looks very small here, but actually when we keep it inside the water, there is much more. So this was the end of our tour, and I hope you all enjoyed the video also. Hope to see you in the next video. Like, share and subscribe if you like the videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.